We are starting the NSX training on VCF 9 from this month onwards. So the first question comes to our mind is why should we learn NSX in VMware Cloud Foundation 9 instead of learning the traditional standalone NSX 4.x? The reason is that the market has changed in 2026. Earlier, clients deployed NSX as a standalone networking product and engineers were responsible for manually installing NSX managers, deploying edge nodes, preparing host and performing upgrades, and they have to maintain themselves. That model was suitable for traditional data center environments. But today, enterprises are moving toward a private cloud operating model using VMware Cloud Foundation, where NSX is not treated as a separate product anymore. It is deeply integrated into full cloud stack along with the vSphere, vSAN, and lifecycle automation. So when you learn NSX in VCF 9, we are learning how networking actually works in modern production environments. Another major change is how deployment and upgrades happen. In standalone NSX, engineers spend a lot of time performing manual deployments. Then they spend a lot of times for patching and upgrades through the NSX manager interface. In VCF 9, all of that is automated. The VCF platform deploys NSX, then configures it, and even manages lifecycle operations as part of the entire cloud environment. This means our role shifts from manual configuration to cloud operation, which is exactly what companies are expecting today. There is also a big shift in how networking is consumed. In the standalone network model, network administrator has to create a segment, gateways, and policies directly in the NSX manager console. In VCF 9, networking becomes cloud-like application, and vSphere administrator can provision networking resources such as VPC, subnets, and services directly from vCenter without constantly switching to NSX manager. This reflects how modern cloud platforms operate. The routing architecture has also evolved here. Traditional training focused heavily on tier 0 and tier 1 gateways. Still, those concepts are exist in VCF 9 also. But here VCF 9 introduces a new transit gateway architecture that simplifies connectivity and improves performance. In some cases, traffic can even move from ESXi host directly to the physical network without depending entirely on edge nodes, which is a major architectural advancement in the VCF 9 NSX. Next is edge deployment. Edge deployment itself has become very simpler here. Earlier, engineers has to manually size, deploy, and configure edge clusters. In VCF 9, this process is automated through guided workflows in vCenter, reduces the complexity and deployment time. This allows the engineers to focus on design and architecture rather than repetitive configuration tasks in the production support. So when you learn NSX as part of VCF 9, we are not just learning a network product. We are learning how a modern private cloud platform operates, how automation replaces manual work, and how enterprises actually deploy and manage networking today. So that is why this training focus on NSX inside VMware Cloud Foundation 9. It prepares you for real world environments, real job roles, and architect level understanding rather than just a standalone product knowledge. Please enroll on this WhatsApp group for NSX training on VCF 9 if you are interested.